guys, welcome back to my channel. I wasn't posting because I had food poison. Today we're gonna be trying these. I already opened the bag, but let's try. This is what they look like. Right here in the bag though. And this is what they look like out. No, y'all guys know those chips that are called Fritos, and do you know the barbecue ones? And they taste just like these, but like kind of spicy. Like if you have purple chips, it has reflex like that. So bye y'all. Have a good day. See y'all tomorrow after school.